trying you and I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my
up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I...
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. For those of you who do not know me, for my dear ones, my cutie pies, welcome love, welcome home. So today is Wednesday and it's 11 a.m. Guys, my fridge is hectic. So yesterday my husband bought fruits and vegetables and I didn't have time and I just piled it inside the fridge. And as you guys know, I now have a small fridge and it's totally packed and it's not even organized. So this morning we're gonna organize and clean out my fridge. So I just thought I should take you along guys and then help me clean it, because why not? Because why not? But anyway, this week is gonna be a very productive week for me. I have a lot of editing to do. I've got a lot of cleaning to do. So I'm gonna try to pile everything in this vlog. I hope you guys, you watch this vlog and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. But anyway, without getting into further more talking, let's get into it.
Open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. More than good, kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free, wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great.
So guys, in case that you didn't know, I got this from Takealot. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack all my fruits and vegetables, but of course I'm gonna wash them first, but that's gonna take a long time. I'm not gonna wash them with you. I'm gonna quickly pack them in. Yeah, so apparently when I'm busy doing this, my husband decided to make a smoothie to even make the space even more dirtier. But anyway, patience, patience, patience. Anyway, let's get going. And I really love these organizers because they actually make the what do you call it? Now I'm being distracted. It makes your fridge look very organized, and it's so easy to grab whatever that you need because you're just gonna, it's like a drawer in the fridge, and then you just open, close, and yeah. But anyway, let me go ahead, organize, and then I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, let's do it.
I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. Oh, oh, oh. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning.
Good morning, guys. It's actually in the morning. It's 10 o'clock and I'm literally on my creative corner and I'm editing vlogs right now. And I'm so excited, guys, because it's been actually heavy on me, like being a mom, I work 10 hours a day in a week. So my work is quite demanding and I'm a mom, I'm a wife. There's a lot of things that I have to show up for and it's becoming really heavy on me. And I barely sit here to actually do the work. But I'm actually grateful that me and my husband, we actually got to a point where I was like, you know what, on weekends we need to share the days. Saturdays I'm with the baby, Sundays you take the baby, so I can be able to do my editing and all of those things that I want to do. So I'm actually glad that I'm here now. So I'm gonna be creating vlogs and everything. I really enjoy this creative corner, guys. And we've got a new baby, and in addition to the family, we've got this Samsung monitor, and it's actually a curved screen. The good thing about this monitor is big, and I can literally see everything that I'm editing on. So guys, I want to go ahead and organize the wooden spoons that I got. So I got these ones. I've used the other ones, so they're dirty. So I have one of these. I bought 3 and they were quite expensive. They were quite expensive. So I bought 3. I was like, I will add on as time goes on. So let's just organize this. And I also got like the wooden ones also. So I've got quite a few of these wooden ones. So yeah, I'm just gonna replace the old ones that I have, because I had these old ones. You see, even this one is more like cheap and all of that, you see. So I'm literally replacing these with the new essentials that I got. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and organize that in the drawer, and then yeah, just gonna have breakfast and that'll be it. So yeah, up, we're trying to be consistent over here. So pray to God that Mimi becomes consistent, and I'm speaking this into existence. So let's hope that I'll be consistent. I really want to be consistent in these 4 months left in the year. I want to kick it in, and I'm praying for a difference, especially in this season of life that I am in, guys. I'm in a season of trusting God for something, and I'm in a season of waiting at the same time. So it really requires a lot of patience and obedience and just and I can't wait to testify when the Lord that has done the good works, but He has already done it, so I don't have doubt in it. So it's just for me to come into an alignment with what He has for me. So why not? So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go out. So I'm already dressed in these jeans, and then this pajama, and then this. I'm covering my hair because it's not done, but I'm preparing to go to have lunch with my family, and I'm so excited, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Love you.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me?
Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why you going nowhere special? Just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you why I've been more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could pull out all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is
seeds.